I liked working. I liked like cooking at home, like my culture food and stuff. I love doing that. My mom actually taught me over FaceTime. I moved here when I was 15, and when I moved out of the house from my dad's, I missed a lot of my food, and so I used to call my mom all the time, like, hey, how can I do this? Hey, how can I do that? So it took me some years to learn, but along the learning process, I think I enjoyed it a lot more just because my mom was always there too and teaching me, and so yeah, that's how I was like, all right, that's what I want, and let me try. And I talked about it for a long time, but I never done anything about it. And I was at that point in my life. I was like, either do something about it or just shut up. My mom is like on the speed dial for me, honestly. Like she's always a big help with me, even when she's so far. FaceTime and technology made it so much easier for us to stay so close. But yeah, I would spend some hours with her on the phone, just like while we're cooking. Like I will start it as soon as like, all right, I'm getting ready to cook. She would tell me the ingredients. She told me what to buy, so I'd go buy it, then come home, turn it on, and she would be with me until I actually put it in the plates. Like, all right, mom, we're gonna go testing that. There's something unique, you know. I can almost guarantee you don't get this kind of food or this kind of culture anywhere close to here. Just don't be afraid.